Stock number 403950. It's a 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's a rollover, doesn't have a key, it doesn't start. You see the hood's damaged, front end's damaged, radiator core support's bent, radiator's bent. Passenger side front fender's no good. Passenger side door's no good. Passenger side back door's no good. Passenger side quarter panels got big dents and stuff right there, no good. A lot of the damage is on the seam. Back here you can see deep scratches. The spoiler's still good. Back bumper. It's got paint problems. It's probably you got dents right here. The driver's side quarter panel's no good. You see on the driver door, got a little parking lot ding right there. Got some paint problems up there. It's got some chip paintage right there too. Driver's side front fender's no good. It's got damage. The driver roof and passenger roof airbags are deployed. The driver and passenger seat belts are locked. The driver seat and the passenger seat airbags are deployed. It doesn't have a key. Don't start. You can see there's glass everywhere. Glove box over there is still good. Interior in the back still good. Again, this is stock number 403950. It's 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee.